Hey guys, this is Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Today we're going to turn this bow staff into a cane. Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. First of all, I'd like to say thanks for watching the video. I'm trying to improve the audio, the video, learn how to edit. It takes quite a bit of time. But hey, my wife needed a cane, and this is what I came up with. I used the lathe to clean it up and use some threaded inserts, and my Kwon oscillating sander really came in handy to make that profile for the handle. So let me know if you what kind of sander you have.
Hey guys, I showed you my bow staff skills. Take a video and show me yours.
Hey guys, so that was a quick and easy cane using a bow staff from a taekwondo class of one of my kids. Little anti-skid drawer liner and some threaded inserts. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you would use this.